Funnel chart basically, funnel chart depict stages in process narrowing down. So basically, when to use it, we used funnel chart to visualize sequential process like sales, pipeline, or conversion. Funnel scenario: sales stages lead to closes, or hiring process, applicant to hirers, and show drop off rate at each stage. So basically, when you are hiring, let's suppose 10 members in your organization and you receive 100 applications. So first step is to shortlist the number of applicants from these 100 candidates. So this is the first procedure, and then out of those 100 you shortlisted some candidate, and then you call some candidate for interview. Then after interview then you again call some interviews for the final interviews, candidate for the final interview. So this stage goes on. So funnel chart gives you the best explanation that your hiring stage is on which stage. So for the labeling option, for group you can select the stages, lead or qualify, and for values, count or values or per stage. And so in case of funnel chart, we have no traditional axis, so no labeling is required for the axis option. So here you can see that we have a funnel chart. So as you can see that on x-axis we have the sorry, this is the our funnel chart, and this is, you know, it is showing the hierarchy from top to bottom. So the lead will be the highest, qualify 94, solution 74, proposal 37, and the finalized section is 14. So again, if you have data set of the multiple products, and if you want to see that which product is giving you the maximum sales, so this will be showing you the maximum sale with the highest volume, and then second will be lowest, and goes on. So this is how the funnel chart gives you the explanation for your data set.